Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will guide you on how to renew your license, Japanese license, for the first time. Step 1. The postcard. You will receive this postcard 1 to 2 months before your birthday. When you open the postcard, you will find the following details. When you can renew, online reservation link. I will walk you through how to make online reservation later. Your license classification, your old license number, your driver classification, license validity, and license color after renewal, and the things you need to bring for the renewal procedure. Step 2. Making an online appointment. Appointments are now required. If you scan this QR code with your camera, you can open the website link. The link may differ depending on your address. In my case, it is Osaka Prefecture. You can also use Google browser so you can auto-translate the page. Check the agree button, then click start booking or renewal. Here, click Menkyo Koshin, it means renewal in English. Then, select the classification. Since it is your first time renewal, make sure to click Shokai Koshinsha, which means first time renewal in English. Enter the reservation information, your name in katakana, date of birth, the license information, you can find it here on the postcard, and your contact number. Then click next. Select the location you want to renew. In Osaka, you can go directly to Kadoma or Komyoike license test site or in local police station closest to your address. One thing to take note is, I initially booked the police station, but when I went there, they said that I need to return in a specific date to pick up the license. It means if you choose police station, I am not sure if it applies to all, but there is a possibility that you cannot get your new license the same day. But if you choose the license center like Kadoma, you can get your new license right after you finish the 2 hours seminar that I will mention later. So here, let's proceed first with booking the police station. Select the one nearest to your address, then select the date and time. Then click the reservation details and then click confirm your booking. A QR code will be generated. Make sure to print it out or take a screenshot of this image and bring it with you on the day of your appointment. I showed you how to book the police station, but if you are booking a license test center, it's the same way. Actually, I canceled this reservation and booked another time slot in Kadoma License Center because there is schedule available on Sundays. Step 3. What to bring. First is your current driver's license, of course. This postcard or hagaki. One photo with this size. You do not need to bring if you are applying in testing centers like Kadoma. Next is the license renewal appointment confirmation. This is screenshot. Cash for processing fee, pen and notebook for seminars, and glasses or contacts if needed for driving. Step 4. On the day. As I said earlier, I booked another reservation at Kadoma License Center. Be sure to arrive 15 or 30 minutes early, especially if you choose the testing centers, because queue may be long. First thing I did was show the appointment confirmation on the person in charge before entering the license center. Next, fall in line for the automatic reception machine like this one. You may refer to the video link in the description on how to use it. Sorry, it is only in Japanese, but it was still helpful. For the automatic reception machine, you will be needing your current license, the appointment code, your phone number, and the 4-digit PIN you want to use for your renewed license. The automatic reception machine will print 2 papers like this one. First one is the 4-digit code and the second one is the application form. After the reception, you will proceed to the cashier. Payment of fees. It costs 4,250 yen, 2,850 yen for the renewal, and 1,400 yen for the 2 hours first renewal training, 2-hour seminar. Next, before proceeding to the next step, you need to answer the questions on the back of the application form and sign it. After that one, you will proceed to the eyesight test. After the eyesight test, they will verify your documents and then you can proceed to the picture taking. After picture taking, you will be given a piece of paper for the renewal training. The classification, room location, and time slot are written in there. Make sure to attend the correct class because if you don't, you will not be able to get your new license. There are clear signs and police officers who will guide you throughout the whole process, so don't worry. You can also ask them if you got confused on the next step. Next is the mandatory lecture. Attend the mandatory lecture. Go to the lecture room for first-time renewal lecture. As I mentioned earlier, it will take 2 hours, 120 minutes. The lecture will be Japanese only. It will cover traffic law updates, safe driving practices, accident statistics, etc. Bring a notepad or follow the slides if you don't fully understand Japanese, and make sure to be punctual. Latecomers are not allowed in. You will be given a handbook like this one so you can refer to it during the seminar. During the 2-hour seminar for first-time license renewal in Japan, there is a short safety check test like this one. Don't worry, this is not a pass or fail exam. The purpose of this test is to confirm your understanding of basic traffic safety, not to make you retake your license. It was given to me on paper as shown in the screen. Important thing to know is that safety check is Japanese only. So, I used my phone to translate it during that time. It goes like this. On the right column with number 1, you put circle if your answer is yes and X if your answer is no. Afterwards, you will fold the paper along this broken line and check if your answer is correct. You will put double circle if both X or if both circle. Then you count the number of answers you got correct and then you will find the explanation on the back of the paper on this side. Again, do you need to pass? No, there is no pass or fail result. Your license renewal does not depend on the score. And after the seminar, you will receive your new license. Right after the lecture, staff will call out names or numbers and they will hand over the new license to you. You need to return the old one and they will give you the new license. And that's it! Including the seminar, the whole procedure took around 3 hours. 3 to 3.5 hours. And that's it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Mata ne!